from the curves. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they bring us some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Welcome everybody, welcome back to Stuff from the Cuffs. Welcome to my tour of Mandeville town. So Mandeville is located in the parish of Manchester. For those of you overseas and you're not so familiar with the island of Jamaica, Mandeville is located in Manchester. So I'll be giving you a little tour of the town of Mandeville. I know for those of you who probably used to live in Mandeville, this may be a little nostalgic for you. For those who have never been to Mandeville, whether you're in Jamaica or you're from overseas, here's an idea of what our town looks like. Alright, so I'll be giving you a little drive through and you'll see some of the places in Mandeville. So let's go! So to my left, we have, of course, fast food, Pizza Hut, KFC, you know. And there is Elite Mall just over there to your right. And guys, can I tell you, Elite Mall seems to have been building since I was a teenager. And it don't look like it finished yet. Alright, so we're over by Manchester Shopping Center now. The famous Manchester Shopping Center. They have supermarket, they have different stores, they have a bank, VMBS, we have Fontana, there is a FedEx here, Western Union, so many different spots. And one of my favorite places in Manchester Shopping Center, unfortunately they aren't here anymore, was Body and Soul. But they are no longer here. They have been replaced with that store called Forever Young. I loved Body and Soul. Big ups to all my friends from Body and Soul who were there. I think some of the workers are still there. We also have a Payless here. Get your shoes that last you 10 years. And Fontana, we have a huge Fontana here. And there's the bank. So I just gave you a little drive through of Manchester Shopping Center. Guys, when I was young and I used to go to Grand Market, let me tell you, Manchester Shopping Center was the place to be. Yes, man. You're not saying nothing if you're not at Manchester Shopping Center during Grand Market. And for those of you who you don't know what Grand Market is, it's a tradition that we have here in Jamaica where the night before Christmas, that's Christmas Eve, everybody just comes out and shops. Well, I never really used to come out and shop. I used to just come out and stay out whole night, buy a little one juice and, you know, buy a little one KFC and stuff. But yeah, it's just a night to just come out and chill all night doing nothing. Then you go home and your foot hurts you. But it was a great tradition. I used to love going to Grand Market, and can I tell you, I never went to Grand Market until I was 18 and until I lived in Mandeville. So that's a whole other story. Mommy never used to let me go. So over to your left, you see Burger King. Back in the day, McDonald's used to be there. And I used to love going to McDonald's and having the McFlurry. That's probably my favorite thing from McDonald's, even to this day. So there used to be a McDonald's over there. I don't know how many of you from Mandeville remember when there used to be a McDonald's over there. Yeah, there used to be a McDonald's there. All right, so I am now going up into the town, and there's a famous ice cream place to the left. OMG ice cream, that's what it's called now. It used to be Devon House ice cream, or Devon ice cream. Devon House ice cream, I think. So we're heading up into the town of Mandeville. A lot of things have changed in Mandeville in terms of new stores, the renaming of places. So I'll give you an update where that is concerned. So I am now approaching the courthouse in Mandeville, that brick building to my right. That's the courthouse in Mandeville. And this is the Cecil Charlton Park. This is the entrance to the park. They have really cleaned it up and made it a little beacon in the town of Mandeville. The police station is to the left. I don't think you can see it in the camera frame, but the police station is to the left. And you know, we're going into the heart of Mandeville. And one thing I can say about Mandeville pedestrians, they have a lot of faith in the drivers because they all just walk in the road. I used to do it too, so I'm not bashing anybody. I don't know why. But everybody, look at this. Everybody just walks in the road. No care in this world because they know that Mandeville drivers are not going to hit them down, I guess. Go ahead, mama. You're already in the road. Come, sweetheart. Come, go ahead. So in front of me, straight ahead, is the entrance to the Mandeville Market. And KFC is to the left. You see what I say about them just walking in the road? Yes, just walking. Yes, nobody's business. So Mandeville is really expanding. We have a little Caesars now to our left. So this mall, back in the day, it used to be called Bankhouse Mall. It's now Reliance Center, and inside is just, excuse me ma'am, inside is so developed. They have so many different shops, and there's also what's that foreign store called? Radio Shack is in there. You have a whole heap of clothes stores. There's this new ice cream place called Roly Poly. Not really new, but there's this ice cream place called Roly Poly that's in there as well. There is Quartz Optical there, so if you need glasses, you can go to Quartz Optical at Reliance Center. And yeah, whole heap more places. So you can check them out. Just about every store you need. There's a wholesale there. What else? Sir, what Jesus? You see what I tell you about Mandeville people? Yeah, I don't know if it's the culture or what, but yeah. The whole heap of places at Reliance Center. And then this is a fairly new mall to my left. It has Juicy, Island Eyewear, and a whole heap of other places. I know we have Mothers to the right. So we are now approaching Willowgate Plaza. Everybody who lives in Mandeville knows Willowgate Plaza. Willowgate Plaza to my right. A lot of nail shops are over by Willowgate Plaza. Alright, so I am going to go around and go through Grove Road and come back around into the town, simply because I just don't want to turn back. But if you want to cut out some of the Mandeville traffic, you're on this side. So there's Church Teachers College to my right. Yes, Church Teachers College right here. As you can see, they also offer swimming. I'll cut out some of the traffic and then I'll come back around and go on the other side of the town. We are approaching Mega Mart, and we have a Mega Mart here in Mandeville. They have scaled down in terms of their size since they started. There is no a bank here. I think it's Sagicor. When I go around, I'll see. So there is a Sagicor Bank on the premises of Mega Mart to my left here. Yeah, there's Sagicor Bank and Sagicor Investments. And then of course you have the entrance here to Mega Mart. I just drove through here to show you Mega Mart. So I'm now entering Mandeville again, the town, from a different direction. This is from the direction of the Greenvale roundabout, and straight ahead you have the Manchester High School. They are known for winning All Together Sing on TVJ. So big up to all those who went to Manchester High. There is NCB to my left. You know what's the NCB? Yes, I'm going to show the NCB because I need to go to the ATM anyway. So this is a huge NCB in Mandeville. They also have a drive-through ATM, which is very convenient. Because especially with the kids during COVID, I don't always want to come out. You can enter the ATM from the other side or from this side. They used to have a drive-through teller here, but they no longer have it. I don't know why. I need to ask why they don't have the drive-through teller anymore, because it was so convenient. So you have the drive-through ATM to my left. I'm going to join this line, and then I'll continue giving you a tour after I get through. So to my right, there is Mandeville Plaza. And I'm going to drive over there, over Mandeville Plaza. One of my favorite places to go because they have almost everywhere that I normally use. Or they have a lot of stores that have things that I would normally need. And there's Bashko up there. You can see Bashko from here. You can see the sign from here. Big Bashko, upstairs and downstairs. Back in the day, this yellow and red building that you're seeing to your right, it used to be a pharmacy. Now it is a supermarket. And they have a little, like a walk-through window restaurant where you can just go up to the window. You see people there. Order your food and you get it right away and you move on. So this is Mandeville Plaza. I used to hang out here a lot when I was in college because I used to have friends who work here. Still have one friend who work here. He does my nails. Fenton, he's upstairs here. Upstairs this plaza to the left, or this building to the left. Man, all these potholes are dangerous. Look how big these potholes are. Everybody just needs to make up and fill them. Oh my goodness. This is Mandeville Plaza. You have a whole heap of clothes stores, whole heap of nail shops and hairdressers in this plaza. Impact Center has been around for as long as I can remember. And then here we have the famous, oh, you're not seeing it yet, right here, A to Z bookstore and Tiny Tots. That is where I get everything for the girls in terms of school books and supplies for Bria. I get all my baby stuff there. Apart from what I buy overseas, I get all my baby stuff there. Love it, love the staff, love the owner, love them, love them. Has Tiny Tots. So everything baby and everything school in terms of books, stationery, supplies, everything they have there. my right is the Mandeville Primary and Junior High School. We have several schools in Mandeville. This one is in the town, Mandeville Primary and Junior High. To my left, there's Caledonia Mall. And we have several gas stations as well. For those who probably left Mandeville a long time ago, we have a new health center in Mandeville. I'll show you that in just a moment. But I wanted to drive over here because when I was a teenager and when I was growing up, over in this plaza used to be a movie theater. It's no longer here. There used to be a movie theater right to my left where you see all the zinc. There used to be a movie theater there. Odeon movie theater. It has been demolished. I am not too sure what is coming there. I guess we'll find out in a few months because a building is being erected. Then we have Domino's to the left after we pass all of these. We have Domino's to the left and the Shoppers Fair as well. The new health center that I was telling you about, it's to my left. I'll let you see it. Healthcare and Recovery Services, that's what it's called. So many different services offered here in terms of, there's a pediatrician, there are places where you can do x-rays, biopsies, etc. There is I don't remember everywhere, but they offer a variety of health services, so you can check it out if you're in Mandeville. It's an option. One thing you need to look out for, guys, if you're coming into Mandeville, we have two major one-way roads. When I was showing you the road that we take to go up into Mandeville in the first part of the video, that's a one-way, and this is the other side, which is another one-way. 2 lanes of traffic. They're both one-way traffic, so look out for that. All right, guys, I'm getting ready to head out of Mandeville right now. To my left, guys, is the gas station that had burnt down earlier this year. So I made a quick U-turn because I wanted to show you the gas station, and I am heading out of the town now. This is Ward Avenue. It is notorious for flooding. I know you've probably seen the video with the mentally challenged man swimming. This is that road. Make sure that you like, share, subscribe before you go, and leave us a comment. This has been another edition of Stuff from the Cuffs, where we give you fire. We give you fun, inspiration, we're real, and we're educational. We'll have another video for you soon. Adios for now.